Yeah, I just got my part to fix my rototiller in, and this is the one that broke. You can see there's no teeth that come out where to engage it. Where this one here, you can see it has these metal teeth that come out and right there and grip the hub of the motor. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this on here and hopefully it'll work. So now. Goes on there. And it just attaches with these 3/8 bolts. I don't know if they're 3/8 or 10 millimeter. To be honest with you, they both seem to work. The bolts are serrated, so it looks like they will stay in there and not vibrate out. So cool. This is what I was using to start it. A piece of paracord and a piece of wood here. Let's see if this thing's. Oh, yeah, that works great. It's gonna be good. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your projects.